Today, we will discuss ListMonk and Mautic. Both let users create and manage email templates, allowing them to create eye-catching emails. Mautic and ListMonk are both open source initiatives. This implies that its source code is openly accessible, encouraging community participation and permitting personalization. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. ListBank is a self-hosted newsletter and mailing list organizer that is quick and effective. It performs exceptionally well while managing large email volumes. It has a strong emphasis on email, needs some technical know-how for configuration and self-hosting, perfect for users that require a dependable and quick platform to send bulk emails and newsletters, especially those with sizable subscriber lists. Matic, a more complete platform for marketing automation, is called Matic. Beyond email marketing, it provides a broader range of services such as social network integration, lead tracking, and marketing automation workflows, ideal for companies that require a full-featured marketing automation system that covers lead management, email marketing, and more intricate marketing processes. All in all, both platforms are open source and offer customization and flexibility. Both allow users to have control over their data by being self-hosted. The two platform offers the ability to create email marketing campaigns, send emails, and manage email subscribers.